Hi, it is Josephine, and today let's talk about atmosphere. So when you're writing, especially creative writing, and you want to create a sense of where you are for your readers, it's important to think of what sort of surroundings your characters are in and to describe them. With my contemporary romance, I don't do that as much. However, with my historical romance and other books that I've written, I do tend to do it a little bit more. So when you're imagining the location that your characters are in, don't forget to remind your readers about what it smells like, what things taste like, what things look like, how they feel, and lend a very good description of where they are so that your readers can get an idea and feel that they are there in the moment with your characters. So, for example, are they in an old farmhouse room like this one, with old deco furniture, lamps, oil lamps, and things like that? Is there junk on the floor? Are there water stains in the ceiling? Are they perhaps, we're going to get into fun here, on a farm with the windmill? Or is your character in a vehicle? What type of vehicle? Does it boast leather seats? Is it messy? Does it have a moonroof? Where are they driving to? Does it drive nicely? Is the music cranked? Or is it classical? Is it foggy outside? Are there power lines? Can you describe them? What might they look like? Does it smell like freshly mown grass? Or is it a farmer's field that's just been plowed? Maybe there's some winter wheat. Your readers want to know. Is your character on a bridge? Are they near the river? What is the water like? Can you hear the frogs? Can you hear the chirping? Are there willows gracing over top of the water? Are the trees in the water because of flooding? Is the water rapid? Does it smell like fish? Does it smell fresh? All of these descriptions evoke different emotions and create an atmosphere for your reader. And the atmosphere is designed to get your readers to feel certain things. So if you pack the correct descriptions in without overdoing it so that your reader's bored, because that's the last thing you want, the idea is that your readers will see different things and imagine different things in their mind and create these threatening or joyous or happy or whatever particular descriptive emotion that they are feeling with your descriptions. And that creates the atmosphere that you are trying to create. Or are they locked in a horrible dungeon with no hope of escape? Describe your dungeon. Describe what's going on. Are the bricks wet? Is there water running? Is there a pipe that they might be attached to? Is it ropes? Is it cold metal on the hands? How are they feeling? Is it cold? Is it damp? Is there poor lighting? Like this. So think of your particular atmosphere that you've thrown your characters into and let us know. And by atmosphere, it can also be threatening. It could be joyous. It could be a sunshiny day. Or it could be a horrible dungeon just like this one. So one of the fun little writing things that I like to do to improve my descriptions is to take random photos from the internet and then just describe them in words. And you'll find that doing this exercise over and over will help you to decide your describing style and, just to go over the how, what, when, why, where, go through all your senses: smell, sight, taste, sound, listening, feeling. Is there wind? How does it feel on you? How does it not feel? Things like that. So enjoy your writing, enjoy your reading. I hope you found this video helpful, and, enjoy the look of the basement. That's what old farmhouse basements look like. They're a lot of fun. Maybe you're writing about an old farmhouse basement, and that gives you a glimpse into one. Describe the scene. Let your readers know where your characters are.